What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another update on Turbo. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so this is something that we love to see. Turbo has had a very nice bounce since my last video 4 or 5 days ago. We were trading in the mid 400 millions and now we're above 570 million. And if you look at the daily time frame, you can see that we bounced perfectly off of support. If you go back and look at my previous Turbo video, I was telling you guys not to panic because we were retesting this previous support level. Oftentimes when you were looking to enter a project, you want to buy when we were retesting support. Obviously, technical analysis doesn't always work in the meme coin market, but there are times that it definitely does. And especially when you have these larger cap projects like Turbo at 570 million. Now, what I really like to see right now is that the entire meme coin market is doing well. Mainly Shiba Inu. You can see that it's up 20% in the last 24 hours and 30% in the last week. SHIB is the meme coin that's actually been lagging behind. Pepe got the Coinbase and Robinhood listing and it broke 10 billion. And then obviously Dogecoin had a massive explosion. So it was inevitable that SHIB was eventually going to break out. But if you scroll down, you can see that Turbo is currently the 151st largest crypto. And I know compared to a lot of these other projects, it might not seem like a lot, but 17% is still fantastic. A lot of you guys have just gotten so used to making massive gains in crypto. You have to remember the average return on the stock market is 10% in a year. These are fantastic gains in 1 week. Just make sure you have perspective. And when we look at Turbo right now, you can see that most of the volume is coming from Bitget and Binance. Binance has 15% and Bitget has 17%. A lot of people might actually be surprised about this, but I'm telling you guys, Bitget is a very good exchange. Oftentimes they do get great volume, but you can see in the last 24 hours that Turbo has 172 million in volume. That is fantastic, especially from a market cap ratio. And it shows us that there's a lot of interest in this project. Now, obviously, when you look at the Turbo X account, as I say in every single Turbo video, they are growing every single day. They are almost at 100,000 followers. They're at 97.3K. But my favorite thing about Turbo is that they're posting on here 2 or 3 times a day. And you guys can see right here, Kraken posted on November 29th, margin on the spot pair enabled. And Turbo was one of the 2 coins that had that done. Now, this is going to help bring in a lot of short-term traders as well. And some of you guys might not think that's good, but I'm telling you, it's not a bad thing. It's going to help bring volume. And volume is king with these meme coins. But I also really like this post right here 5 hours ago. Turbo, the revolution. People, projects, and exchanges noticed us. They joined our movement. Turbo's platform became visionary, a revolution united by global collaboration. And it truly is amazing to see how many people are joining the Turbo movement. This community is one of the strongest communities that I have ever seen. So yeah, obviously from a technical analysis standpoint, Turbo has had a very nice bounce the last couple of days. But if you guys are investing in the meme coin market to begin with, you should have conviction in your plays. I truly don't understand why so many of you guys panic every time Turbo pulls back. It has proven time and time again that it is going to bounce back. But now I do also want to take a quick look at Bitcoin. So most of you guys already know I've had Bitcoin drawn on this bull flag for months now. But in case this is your guys' first time watching one of my videos, this macro bull flag has a measure move all the way up here to around $118,000. Now, I've been telling you guys for a long time that 100,000 is going to be a major psychological barrier. So in order for us to come up and nail this measure move, obviously we have to breach 100K. Now, when you look at the smaller time frames like the daily, we needed to reset badly. The RSI and stochastics were extremely overbought. That being said, we have started to reset, and now you could argue that Bitcoin is in a bullish megaphone. And what I've been saying for a long time now is I wouldn't be shocked if Bitcoin came down and bounced off of the 21-day moving average. I thought we were actually going to touch it right here, but we bounced prematurely. Either way, though, we could see another very explosive move. At this point, the stochastics are extremely oversold and definitely have legs to push up. But at the end of the day, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis, so only time will tell. Now, if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like Turbo, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and we've been making massive gains in here. As a lot of you guys know, one of the biggest hits recently was Speedy. I posted Speedy at 178K, and these are the kind of gains that my community is making. One of my members turned $199 into over $19,000. These are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building an excellent community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Turbo will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.